Oh, what a rush! Oh my god! It's a freaking rocket, Rishi. It's a rocket. Well, good morning, all of you. This will serve as a perfect wake up call because this is the day that the Lord has made, and I shall rejoice and be glad in it. Today, I get to ride the S1000RR 2025 in all its matchless glory with full system Acra and K&N air filter. Oh boy. 210 horses of pure relentless force. WSBK championship winning machine. So this belongs to a good friend of mine called Rishi, and first service is done. Let's fire her up. It's in Race Pro. Traction is set to 2. And slowly we'll get moving. Very effortless to ride. Nice, beautiful morning. Perfect. This thing is a pinnacle of perfection in super sport. Nothing even comes close. Those downshifts. Throttle is so light and crisp. shot of a rocket on two wheels. What a freaking machine. Oh boy. And the super sport ergonomics are so bang on point. Slapped on Supercorsa 3s on this as well to make it even more unstoppable. This is incredibly awesome. Sheer monster mayhem this morning here in Hyderabad. S1000RR screaming through the highways. Full system action. Perfect BGM for the OG Super Sport. Oh. Rishi right over there for you. It's incredible. I think we've had our share of fun. Oh God, what a machine. This kind of firepower The way he has made this bike, Supercorsas and full system Acra, I think it's the right way to enjoy. Oh, what a rush! Oh my God, it's a freaking rocket, Rishi. It's a rocket, and the way you made it, it is perfect. Supercorsas, Acra full system. Oh, it's divine. It's divine. It's sublime. No words. What a dream machine. The ultimate super sport. Just look at this machine. It's built for speed. It is built for speed. Oh boy. Just look at it. The winglets. The front windscreen. Oh, I can't get enough of this. I want more. I want more. Oh, what a bike, oh, it's divine. And the way you built it, a full system Acra, daniki K&N, a Supercorsas are like ultimate.
Supercorsa mandatory.
Asalu itle veltundi. You can't go slow on this. You can't go slow. It's a freaking rocket, asalu. Oh my God, what a rush. So satisfying. Wow. So satisfying. Oh, thank you. Mana 100K subscribers ki proper celebration.